Hello, everyone. This is your update for October 18th, 2023. As I record, it's approximately 8:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to start today with the 10-year Treasury yield. I'm still concerned that we could see a spike above 5% in October. I don't know when, and I don't know what will happen, but I think that would be a huge risk to markets if this began to spike higher. Jumping over to gold, prices are above the 1950 level. So we're breaking above this support line and we're testing 1960. I wanted to point out we have a pivot here and a pivot here. So between 1960 and 1980, we have a couple different peaks to overcome. So that could be challenging. On the downside, I wouldn't want to see prices reverse and close back below 1940. If they did that, then it would tell me that we're not breaking out immediately higher. So we'll see. Jumping over to silver. Silver is still well above the $22 mark. And we almost tagged 23.50. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 23.48. So I'd like that 23.50 level. That's where the 200-day moving average is roughly on the other charts. And if we can get a couple closes above that, I'd feel more comfortable, let's say. To the downside, 22 support. So we'd have to see prices close below here for me to get concerned. GDX, we're about an hour before the open. But if gold holds the 1960 level, I'm imagining we're going to gap higher. And if we can gap through the $30 level, this is two prior pivots. If we can gap through that, again, we're still an hour before a lot can change. But if that were to happen, that would be, in my opinion, pretty bullish. And that could be a breakaway gap, a breakaway from this upper channel boundary. That's the optimistic view. We'll just have to see what happens. Before we leave, I wanted to show you, this is the GDX mining monthly chart. And I wanted to point out that if we still have a long ways to go to close October, it's only the 18th. So this is a monthly candle. If it closes above this prior open, which was, let's see here, 29.66. If we close well above that, then that would be a huge monthly bullish engulfing candle. And I think that would support an important bottom and potential breakout. The last monthly bullish engulfing candle we had here was in April 2020, right during the peak of COVID, when COVID was at peak fear, I should say, and peak uncertainty. So we'll see what happens, but that would be pretty bullish. I'm watching the 10-year. I'm watching gold. If I need to, I'll update later. But more or less, everything looks pretty good. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.